thousands of Americans are faced with a choice: paper or plastic. Many people are unaware of the harmful effects that plastic bags have on our environment, from being harmful to animals to being difficult to recycle. There are many reasons to go paper over plastic. Plastic bags are the most commonly used bag in grocery stores today. Nobody really thinks about the negative effects that plastic has on our environment. Plastic bags that end up on the side of the road or blow out into the field can be very dangerous to any animal that may stumble across them. The animal can mistake the bag for food or think that there's food inside and choke or suffocate. And we've all been driving down the road when we see plastic bags that literally line the sides of the road. Plastic is photodegradable, which means that light breaks down the bag, and this process can take 500 to 1,000 years to complete. That's a long time for plastic to sit on the side of the road, and scientists aren't even sure if this process is accurate, considering that plastic is a relatively new product. Finally, plastic can be very difficult to recycle. There are only a few plants that actually have the equipment to process and recycle plastic, and very few of them actually do it effectively. Paper, however, is a wonderful substitute for plastic. It is 100% reusable, recyclable, and biodegradable. Very good for our environment. Paper is very environmentally friendly and a preferred source for its reusable and recyclable properties. Paper bags contain 40% post-consumer material, which means that 40% of the bag was 40% of the old bag was used in making a new bag. Finally, not only is it recyclable and reusable, it is made from a renewable resource, which are trees. Paper is not only environmentally friendly, it is safe. So the next time that you're going to your local grocery store and people ask you paper or plastic, take a few more minutes to think about the consequences of using harmful plastic bags. Make the right choice. Go green and go paper.